So, ready na? May kape na. And then, kamuting kahoy and the sugar. Excited much. Excited na ako kumain ng balinghoy. Diba? Sarap. Sarap. And, black coffee. Sarap! 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 Sarap ng kaming kahoy! My God! Wow! Sampat! Balinghoy and then kape. Kasarap!